Well, hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by today. You are welcome here and so appreciated. And for my subscribers, I just want to say you're so appreciated. I appreciate all of your support and I do not take it for granted. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So guys, as you can see today, I am participating in a It's My Wedding Day collab that's being hosted by Creations by Simone. Now, Simone is a really great creator on YouTube where she does tablescapes, event planning for weddings and parties. She does traveling and she has this Tablescape Tuesday series that is amazing, and Wedding Wednesday. So you got to check out all of her information. I'll put in the description bar below. But she is the go-to for all things with wedding planning, event planning, and traveling. Awesome creative channel. And she is going to be the host for this, and she asked that we do either a glam bride tablescape for groom and bride or a reception glam tablescape. And the co-hosts for this, which are going to be considered the bridesmaids, are Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor, Diva Decorating, Really Good Living, Debbie Bubbles, Daniel the Domestic Scientist, The Rogers House, Love My Babies Forever, and of course me, Lady Cinnamon. And guys, these are some fantastic over-the-top creators that are crushing it on their channels with their creativity and talent. So please go check out each and every one of them. They will be on the playlist and in the description bar below. So please check them out. They're great. So guys, I chose to do just a regular glam reception tablescape. So to achieve this, of course, you know, I'm going to start in the middle with this unbelievable centerpiece, really long stemmed centerpiece that's usually on wedding tables, and I'm going to start with that. Now the hurricane is absolutely clear, but it has a gilded long stem base which is so gorgeous and over the top, and I wanted to use this one in particular because the gilding is timeless and classic and it's so beautiful, and I wanted to give you a close-up of that gilding on here. It's always going to set the tone, and that's what you want to do with the centerpiece. And for glam, you definitely want to keep it a little bit on the elegant side when it comes to a wedding. And the clear hurricane, that glass, it's definitely going to create that negative space, so all of those florals will pop, and I absolutely love the way they cascade with the bouquet at the top. It's just gorgeous. It has tones of reds and salmons and pinks and berries, and it's gorgeous with the greenery. Love the way this turned out. I hope you like it too, guys. Now for my stemware, I went with these Castellarias. They were imported from Italy to Home Goods. Home Goods has some great items, guys, and it's two-toned and it's so light. It's almost ethereal, and I wanted to use ethereal, light, negative space items to bring up. So when you're using glam, a lot of times it gets a little weighted. So I wanted to keep it light and elegant, and I think I achieved that. And I also went in with a water goblet from the Dollar Tree. It's really nice to use high and low end to create the look you're going for. Whether it costs a little bit or a lot, it's the look that you're going for. So I absolutely love the way those play off of each other. So really, to set the tone besides the centerpiece, you want to have a great foundation, and that's what I achieved with this gorgeous beaded placemat. The delicate intricacies of this is so pretty, and I just wanted to give you a close-up of that also. I also went back in with a clear charger with the gold beading on the very edge. Once again, it's lightening up all of that glam to give it more of a light, ethereal feeling and keep it very elegant. So when you're doing glam tablescapes, if you get weighted or it looks like it's over the top, always remember to go with a metallic, a neutral, and one accent color, and you will never go wrong. On top of that, I went in with the silver plate for my dinnerware, and with that, it has a gold edging with flecks in it. It's probably not really picking up on the camera, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And to bring in that gold color once again, because I wanted some silver to break it up, I also went in with another gold salad plate. it has sort of a lame feeling with it. So to tie that in and to really make this seamlessly and effortless, I bought in a gold lame napkin that really plays off of this perfectly. And what I did is I also added in a beaded napkin ring that I got from Pier One years ago, and it ties everything together and keeps it on task. Our task was to have glam and florals, and to stay on task and keep it elegant, I went with this setup. So I absolutely love the way everything plays off of each other. And then I just used some gold flatware along with everything else just to basically tie everything together. So this was such a fun collab that I did with Creations by Simone and all of the other co-hosts. Thank you, Simone. This was so much fun. I was a little intimidated, but I actually winded up having a good time. So this was for a mock bride. Guys, don't forget to go check out all of the other creators in the Bridesmaids, and of course the wedding planner herself, Creations by Simone. Awesome fun collab. So guys, I will leave all their information in the description bar below. I hope that you were able to get some really great ideas instead of using just plain whites and creams for linens. But you can go in and do a really modern glam take on a wedding tablescape. And guys, it's also a really nice way to sort of do some entertaining for the holidays. So I hope you were able to get some great ideas and inspiration. In the meantime, don't forget to smash that like button. And when you do subscribe, hit the bell twice so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video with tablescapes or DIYs or vlogs or shop with me's. I even do cooking. And I hope to see you all back here soon. And thank you all for watching.